regulation. So I guess the only difference is nauna is in EU. So we just need to catch up. But the Philippines in itself, as a country, we are also going towards that direction of sustainability. So we just need to catch up. I think we just need to be smart about it. For example, your organic certification. I know that there are so many smallholders. So if you're a smallholder and then you want organic certification, it will be really difficult and expensive. Kasi kung maliit lang yung plot mo, and then you're also under the risk of yung mga runoff. Kasi yung mga katabi mo, if they're using pesticide and the runoff, apektado ka rin. But we need to be smart about it kasi the organic certification is for contiguous land. So if we build a cooperative, come up together, all the smallholders, once it's a cooperative, pwede siya sa organic, would be like what, 200 farmers, 200 smallholders. And then that will, in terms of scale, mababa yung amount that we are paying. If there's like 200 beneficiaries for one organic certificate, even for halal or any other certification. I know that, for example, yung DTI, we have the SSF. So we have all these facilities. If there's a way that the SSF facility is HACCP certified, then all other products that will come out of that facility will be HACCP certified. Instead of one SME getting an HACCP certification by himself, but a shared facility na maybe, I don't know, 10 to 20 SMEs doing production in that one SSF, then we, sort of democratize the amount of paying for that certification. So for me, we just need to be smart about it, strategize how we can offset yung the expense that we need to pay for all the certifications.
Yes, and there can be financing for cooperatives. No, SB Corp gives big finance loans, loans for cooperatives. Okay, so while we know that EU is at the forefront of sustainability policies and implementation, what about the rest of the regions here? Are there some things that we need to watch out for to know already at even at this point? No? In the Philippines, of course, there's extended producers' responsibility, no? Na yung collecting, yung plastics that have been used for packaging, etc. And then single-use plastics bill is being deliberated on, carbon tax is coming. So these are still part of that ecosystem of sustainability. While of course producers, more and more producers are going into circular economy. Yes.